Hi guys, welcome to weekly Forex forecast for the 8th of December. My name is Andrew Shinetsky. I am a technical analyst at AAFX trading company, and traditionally we begin our forecast with the EURAUD currency pair. Here we need to point out the strong growth of the price last Friday and the test of the level of resistance. It's 1.1929. If we take a look at our volume chart for this currency pair, here we can point out that this level contains large volume and it holds the price below it, but given that the growth of the price on Friday was on large volume while the correction of the price from the level of resistance was on small volume, we can consider the scenario of the breakout of this level, which will be a great bullish signal, and of course it will allow us to consider opening long positions for EURAUD. So the breakout move must be abrupt and supported by a large volume. After that we can open long positions here. A stop loss should be placed below the breakout volume bar. A potential of the deal is more than 100 pips. So for the euro, waiting for the breakout of the level of resistance on large volume, and after that we can open long positions for this currency pair. Our next instrument is the pound. Here we need to point out two very important volume levels. The first one is the support 1.3391, 1.3417, and the second one is the resistance 1.3544. If we take a look at our volume chart, here we can highlight that both levels contain large volume and the price is now locked between them. So the best decision for this currency pair will be waiting for the breakout of one of these volume levels, and after that we can consider opening new positions for this instrument. Of course, the breakout move must be abrupt and supported by increased or large volume. It will be a more accurate and stronger signal for entering the market, and of course it will ensure us from fake breakouts, and only in such a case we can enter the market. So for the pound, waiting for the breakout of one of the volume levels, and after that we can trade this currency pair. Our next instrument is USD/GBPY. Here we need to point out that the price corrected up last week, but on Friday it showed a significant and huge fall. If we take a closer look here, we can see that the new levels was created: the resistance 112.81 and the support zone 111.45, 112.08. Both levels contain large volume, so that we can consider opening new positions for this currency pair only after the exit of the price from this local little range. The breakout move must be abrupt and must be supported by a large volume. It will be a more accurate signal, and of course it will ensure us from fake breakouts, and in such a case it will be a more reliable entry point, and of course the possibility of making profit will be much more higher. So waiting for the exit of the price from the range, and after that we can open new positions for this currency pair. While the price is locked between these two strong volume levels, we should stay out of the market. And our last instrument is gold. Well, here we need to look at the volume chart. As you can see, the price is still locked in the global consolidation where large volume is concentrated, so that we can consider that big players are gaining positions here, and of course in such a case the best decision will be waiting for the price to come out from this range, and after that we can consider new positions. Let's point out these boundaries. The first one is the support 1264.40, 1266.00. The second one is the resistance 1299.00. So the scenario is pretty simple. We need to wait for confident exit of the price from the range, and after that we can consider opening new positions for gold. Of course the move must be supported by large volume, so in order to avoid fake breakouts, and after that we can open new deals and enter the market. Until that, while the price is still locked in this consolidation, we should skip this instrument from our trading plan. Let's take a look at the sentiment of the market. Here we can say that the euro deal, so long positions for the euro, are confirmed by the mood of the market. For the pound, long positions should be in priority, but still we need to wait for the breakout of the resistance in order to consider purchases for this currency pair. For the yen, also long positions should be in priority, but still you see that the advantage of short positions is very small, so that here we need to wait for the exit of the price from the local range. And for gold, you see that it's almost 50-50, but little advantage to long positions. So for us, it's a signal for opening short positions because we trade against the crowd. But still, the pair is locked in the global consolidation, so that we need to wait for the exit of the price from the range, and only after that we can consider opening new positions. So overall situation on the market is pretty difficult for trading, as almost all pairs are locked in consolidation. Of course, the euro is in priority because here the scenario is the most interesting for trading, but still we need to get additional signal to be able to trade this currency pair. So for today it's all. Thank you guys for watching. Hope this forecast will be useful for you. See you next week. Bye bye.